calming centers on our snow.dc.gov website. We are especially concerned about our vulnerable residents who may be elderly or disabled and who will need extra help. And so it's also, if you know someone or you see someone who needs shelter, who is homeless, who is on the street, we will continue to experience dangerous temperatures, and we want you to call 311 for help. I wanted to clean up.
Hey guys, it is Stormcaster here, and here's the storm threats that you can expect from this historic blizzard. Widespread power outages, coastal floodings with high tides, and snow accumulations of 2 feet plus. A very, very dangerous storm for places like Maryland, Virginia, southeast Pennsylvania, and southern parts of New Jersey. And you see the snowfall potential map. You can see that Washington is right in the bullseye for 2 feet plus of snow. Elsewhere, 12 to 18 inches in places like eastern Kentucky and southern Ohio. You can expect 5 to 8 inches of snow, and coastal flooding along Delaware and southern New Jersey. Blizzard warnings issued for Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and blizzard watches for New York City and Philadelphia. This includes with the heavy snow and the combination of high winds will create near or whiteout conditions. This is through Sunday. Potentially 2+ feet of snow could fall in much of Maryland and a small portion of southern Pennsylvania. Elsewhere, like West Virginia, Delaware, and New Jersey, can expect 12 to 18 inches of snow, and there is a significant ice storm threat. States like Kentucky, South Carolina, North Carolina, especially North Carolina, will get the worst of the ice storm, potentially 1/2 inch to 1 inch of ice accumulations. Take this storm very, very seriously, folks. This is potentially life-threatening blizzard, and you can see the picture in front of you. High wind potential, especially in southern Maryland. Take the warnings very seriously. Stay off the roads if it's a complete emergency. Stay in tune with your local weather updates. Get whatever supplies that you can tonight and early tomorrow morning. And power outages are likely with this storm, with the highest in Washington, D.C., Maryland, New Jersey, and Delaware. Take this storm very seriously. Stay off the roads if it's a complete emergency. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.